Okay, so I had a question on objective 14 here, number 14 and 17. So I'm going to try this type of video and see if it works. Haven't tried this yet of me doing it right on here. I haven't looked at the problems yet, so we'll see if we do them right the first time, or if I make a mistake, we'll learn from it. But let's read through the problem. I'll do it on here. You may have to zoom in as I go, or otherwise afterwards I will take a closer zoom in. I'll move the camera and do it, but at least you'll be able to hear me explain it and hopefully see some of the writing here. And then I'll try to fit it on here, or if I have to use a separate sheet of paper in the future, I will do that. So the questions on this one were on 14 and 17. So let's look at 14. It says a school store buys school supplies in bulk and sells them at individually cost. So that means they buy them at the unit cost or the unit price. Okay. And then it says Mary buys 4 pencils and 3 glue sticks at the school store. How much does she pay? So we're dealing with pencils and glue sticks. So we don't care about this, the ink pens, we don't care about the folders, and we don't care about the highlighters. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is find the unit price of both of these items. Okay, so pencils, remember it's cost, $2.88, divided by how many you get, which is 12. So $2.88 divided by 12, that's 24 cents each. Okay, then the glue sticks are $7.20 divided by 12. So we go $7.20 divided by 12 is 0.6, or which means 60 cents a piece. So that's how much it is for one of each of those items. So now it says she buys 4 pencils and they're 24 cents a piece. And we're going to add to that 3 glue sticks. So 3 glue sticks, which are 60 cents a piece. Now, if you have a nicer calculator, you can type that in and get your answer. Otherwise, if we're using a phone calculator, which many of you might be using, we have to use order operations. So we have to take the 4 times 0.24, and that gives me 96 cents. We're going to add to that, clear that, 3 times 0.6 or 0.60 gives you 1.8 or $1.80. So you take that plus the 96 cents you had here. It's adding, so you can do any order. So I can keep that right there and hit plus 0.96 equals $2.76, which is letter A. Okay. After I do number 17, I will zoom in on that one if you can't see. Okay. And then you can always pause it and look at the work there. Okay. All right, so I'll move that one back in a second. Let's slide this over. And we'll take a look at number 17. Okay, number 17, they're selling bags of popcorn. The popcorn is shipped in cartons. Each carton holds 5 bags of popcorn, so that's important. It says the table shows the sale prices per carton, but people can buy single bags of popcorn. So that means we want to find the unit price to find what the price of a single bag is. It says on the first day, Jelani sold his grandfather 1 bag of cheese popcorn and 3 bags of candied popcorn. So we're looking at cheese and candied. So we don't care anything about this, and we don't care anything about that. Okay, So then we got to find the unit price of each of these. It says 1 bag of cheese popcorn. So the cheese popcorn was $15.95, and there's 5 in the carton. So we go 15.95 divided by 5, $3.19. Okay, and then the candied ones are $14.95 divided by 5. Okay, and that equals, if we take here 14.95 divided by 5, $2.99. Okay, so if it says 1 bag of cheese popcorn, okay, and this was the cheese, this was candied. Okay, now you could do this 1 times the price. Now you wouldn't have to, because 1 times anything is just that. But if we want to make it look like the other problem, then we're going to add to that 3 times the price of the candy popcorn, which was $2.99. So again, 1 times $3.19 is just $3.19, plus, now this is where we got to take 3 times price of the candied, which was $2.99. That equals $8.97. So now we're going to add that $3.19. Remember, adding, you can do either order, so I can keep that in the calculator. Hit plus 3.19 equals $12.16, which is letter D. Okay. All right, let me do a close-up of each one here, just so in case you can't see that from far away. All right, so there's number 14. Sorry about the shadows, but if you need to pause it, you can look at the work there. And then number 17, again, sorry about the shadows, but if you need to, you can pause it and look at the work there. Okay, so if you guys are having questions on work, send me the problems and I can do them like this. Okay, hope this helps.